because I keep getting. Okay, so right, I think it's maybe working now. I hope it's working. I mean, if somebody can comment in the chat box, say just if they can hear me okay, and then we'll probably I'll probably continue, guys. I mean, so certainly, I mean, I do apologize for these. I'm having a bad morning today. I'm having all these technical issues. So yeah, like I said, we're jumping into the euro right now, the euro dollar. We can see that we're breaking this one right now, breaking this downwards moving trend line. Certainly, this is not confirmed yet. I mean, if we're gonna get a nice close here above today, above this downwards moving trend line, then well, we could consider further upside here, maybe even a move towards this 119.15. A break above that could push this pair a little bit higher. Certainly another good confirmation for the higher potential would be this 119.40 area, and if we start breaking both of these levels, then well, it is opening the path towards this 200 EMA here, which is going to be around the psychological level of 120. So for now, guys, I mean, keep an eye on this. I mean, for now, it seems that it wants to push a little bit higher. Maybe even this doji here would confirm this potential reversal here. So having a look at the Euro GBP, the Euro GBP is holding on to its this upwards moving support line, the short-term upwards moving support line. Certainly, it's still within this downwards moving channel here, but nevertheless, I mean, like I said, for now, it is holding on here. This bottom side of the channel, this upwards moving support line, also coincides kind of with this 21 EMA here, shown on the daily chart, yeah, guys, I mean, so we need to see a nice push here above the 0.8760 in order to kind of consider further upside. So for now, of course, also just observing this pair. I mean, it's too close. It's too close to make a call here, because it could reverse lower and could push a little bit towards this round number of 0.87, or initially, of course, 0.87100, and then a little bit lower, the 0.87. So for now, guys, keep an eye on this one. Let's see if it moves higher. Looking at GBP USD, so GBP USD certainly seems that it wants to kind of push higher. Yesterday we had a similar scenario. It looked like it wants to push higher, but then it actually retraced, and we slightly closed here in the negative zone. I mean, today we're seeing a bit of a retracement back to the upside. Certainly keep an eye on this 136.15 area. A break above that could send this pair a little bit higher towards the 137.10. On the downside, certainly, if we do get a move back below this 200 EMA, then it seems like currently acting as a good level of support here. If we do get a move lower here, keep an eye on this area, this 134.55, approximately there, as a potential next area to touch on the downside if we get a nice break here below. Looking at the USD CAD, so USD CAD is in the selling mode. We've closed below this upwards moving support line here yesterday. Now we can see that it's aiming towards this 128 level. Certainly is going to act as a good level of support initially, and then all eyes are on this. I mean, we'll have to see if it's going to break it or not, if we're going to go and touch the 127.60 area first, or maybe even lower. A move lower could be interesting to see on this one. But for now, all eyes are on the 128, guys. Keep an eye on this one, and let's see if it breaks it or not. Let's have a look at the USD CHF. This is the last one probably that I'm going to touch on today. This morning, we are getting slight rejection here at around 1.005 area, approximately there. So currently, of course, all eyes are on this right now. I mean, let's actually slightly adjust this this line right now here, and yep, there we go. So it's probably better picture, paints a better picture. Certainly, if we see a move towards the psychological 1 level, keep an eye on it. We could see a break, and then if we can get a confirmation break here and a confirmation close here below the 0.9980 mark, then, well, we could end up testing this upper side of the this rising channel, this upper side of the rising channel formation. So for now, like I said, it is at an interesting spot. If we see a nice move here lower, keep an eye on this. I mean, we could get back into this channel. On the upside, we need to see a nice push above the 1.005 area in order to kind of consider these higher levels and aim for this 1.01. Okay, guys, I'll have to wrap it up here. I hope you have a good European session. I do apologize for the late start. And if you want to join me later on in my Traders Tea Time, please do. That's 13:15 GMT and 14:15 British Summer Time. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.